The can shown is 11 inches high and has a diameter of 9 inches. How many square inches of paper are needed for the label? How many square inches of metal are needed to make the entire can? Round your answers to the nearest whole number. Use 3.14 for pi. So this problem's asking us to find two different areas. When it says how many square inches are needed for the label just goes around the outside of the can. That is asking us for lateral surface area. Then, when it later says in the next sentence, how many square inches of metal are needed to make the entire can, that is asking us for total surface area. So we need to find both lateral surface area and total surface area, which is fine because to get total surface area, we have to find lateral surface area anyway. So let's go ahead and write out our formula. Surface area is 2 times the area of the base plus the lateral surface area. That's just our general formula for any prism or cylinder. So because this is a cylinder, the area of the base is pi r squared. And our lateral surface area, like all lateral surface areas, oops, like all lateral surface areas, is going to be the perimeter times height, which in a circle, perimeter is called circumference. So circumference times height. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi times the radius and then times the height. Okay, there we go. So our lateral surface area is going to be just this part, and then our total surface area is going to be the whole thing. So let's do lateral first, since that was the first question. It said find the lateral surface area. Let's do just that part. Lateral surface area 2 pi r h. Now, you may be wondering, since the problem gives us diameter, it says the diameter is 9 inches, why am I doing 2 pi r instead of pi times the diameter? And you can. It's totally fine to do that. I'm using r because the total surface area to b, I'm going to need r anyway, so I'm going to figure it out at some point. But it literally does not matter, whatever you want to do. So the can is 11 inches high, so that's 11 inches. That's going to be our h. And it has a diameter of 9 inches. That is going to be this right here, 9 inches. And that means our radius is half of that. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 inches. Cool. So the first part, to find lateral surface area, all we're going to do is some substitution. So our lateral surface area is 2 pi times the radius, which we just calculated as 4.5, times the height, which the problem tells us is 11. So obviously we know that 2 multiplied by 4.5 is 9, and then 9 times 11 is 99. So 99 pi is our exact answer. And then if we do 99 and we multiply by 3.14, which is what the problem asks us to do, and you could do this step right here, you could do this all on the calculator. You could do this step all at once on the calculator. But I'm getting the exact answer of 99 pi first, not for any good reason other than I just feel like it. So 99 times 3.14 I calculated beforehand, and I got 310.86. The problem says, though, to round your answer to the nearest whole number. So we need about 311. And this is in inches and its area, so square inches of paper for the label. We need about 311 square inches of paper for the label. And you could just do 2 times 3.14 times 4.5 times 11 in the calculator all at once. That's totally fine. You do not need to do this extra step in the middle. That step is optional. I just wanted to show the exact answer of 99 pi. That's the unrounded answer. The problem doesn't ask for the unrounded answer though, so that's just bonus information. Why would you not want bonus math? Okay, so we got the lateral area. And now we can come up and find the total surface area. Well, the total surface area is just the lateral area plus this 2 pi r squared. So let's come up here and do 2 pi, and then our r was 4.5, so r squared plus, and then we'll just rewrite it, it's fine. 2 pi, you could just write your 310.86 because we already calculated it, but let's just go ahead and do the whole thing just for funsies. Because who doesn't like doing extra math? Okay, here we go. So we could, again, type this entire thing into the calculator if we wanted to. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Doing this whole thing in the calculator all at once. We know that this piece right here is going to come out to be 310.86 because we already did it. This part right here, I did this beforehand, comes out to be 127.17 on the calculator. So our total surface area comes out to be that this is the top and bottom, 127.17, plus our lateral surface area that we had previously calculated. And when we add these two things together, we get 438.03. Again, the problem set round to the nearest whole number. So we need about 438, still in inches, and it's still area, so still square inches, of metal to make the can. So the lateral surface area was about 311 square inches. The total surface area was about 438 square inches.